The trial is wrapped up in the negligence case against DCF, the family of a 7-month-old killed by his father when he was thrown from the Arrigoni Bridge in Middletown, sued the state, arguing DCF should have done more to protect the baby. NBC Connecticut's Kevin Gaiss was in court each day of the trial for us, and he has the story.
Closing arguments in the civil trial against DCF, the state continuing to defend their department's actions over a decade ago, while the family of Aaden Moreno continues to seek justice.
DCF, Your Honor, had enough information available to it that it could have acted. Had it done so, Aaden would now be 11 years old.
A failure to act at the center of allegations against DCF in the case of Aaden Moreno, the 7-month-old killed when his father threw him from the Arrigoni Bridge in Middletown in 2015. The family is suing the state, arguing the department should have stepped in to protect the baby when his father, Tony Moreno, was set to take custody.
At all times, DCF had a duty to act in the best interests of Aaden.
Attorneys for the family arguing DCF had ample knowledge of threats against Aaden and his mother. They argue as a restraining order lapsed against Moreno, DCF should have stepped in, gauging Aaden's safety in the custody of Moreno or taken custody themselves. But instead, they did nothing.
Their failure to make that evaluation then led to them not doing anything.
It's infected by hindsight bias.
The state arguing the case against DCF is unfair to the department, arguing the tragedy couldn't have been foreseen based on information available to the department at the time.
A DCF social worker might do an A+ job on an investigation and still get a bad result. And here, the bad result was a parent murders a child.
They argue the caseworker followed protocol and initial investigation didn't reveal any reason to take action to secure Aaden. They also note there was more investigating to do, but tragically, Aaden was killed.
We know in hindsight the child should have been removed, but the social worker in real time didn't have the benefit of 20/20 hindsight.
Both parties have until the end of June to file their final briefs, and then the judge has time to make his final decision. In Waterbury, Kevin Gaiss, NBC Connecticut News.